Welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve assignment. The name of the assignment is Excel 5G odds program. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Basically this assignment consists of 10 step. I can do this assignment step by step and you can done this assignment by watching my video. So we go on our step number 1. Our step number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel 5G odds program downloaded with this project. So I have already downloaded the worksheet that is required. So we go on our step number 2. Our step number 2 is display the hilltop lower country east worksheet. Select the range A1 to G13 and then insert a table. So we go on our Excel worksheet and select the range A1 to J13, A1 to on the top A1 to J13, select the range and in the insert tab create a table. So our step number 1 is completed. Our step number 2 is sort the table on the campus column using a custom list using the following order: hilltop, lower country and then east. Add a second level sort by group and third level sort by program name, both in ascending order. So in this step we sort the table. First sort by campus and then add a second level sort by group and then third level sort by program. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in the home tab here is the sort and filter custom sort. Add a sort by campus and customize list by allows lower country then by east. Add. So click OK and it is also saying that add a second level sort by group. So we add a second level sort by group and third level sort by program name and add third level sort by program name. Click OK. So our step number 3 is completed. So our step number 4 is on the schedule compression worksheet. Select the range A2 to F3 and then name the range criteria. Name the range A6 to F15 using the name database and then name the range A18 to F18 using the name extract. So in this step on the schedule compression worksheet, first we select the range A2 to F3 and then name the range by criteria and name the range and then select the range A6 to F15 and name range database and then select range A18 to F18 and name is to extract. So we go on our Excel worksheet on the schedule compression, select the range first A2 to F3. So A2 to F3 is this one So in the data, so here you can change the name, by criteria, change name by criteria, and then select the range is 6 to F15. Then select the range is 6 to F15, is 6 to F15. Then use name by database, and then name the range A18 to F18. Select the range A18 to F18. A18 to F18 is this one, and name it by extract. Name it by extract. So step number 4 is completed. So step number 5 is create an advanced filter that will place in the exact area the record from the database range in which spring in their primary schedule as summer is their secondary schedule. So in this step we create an advanced filter for the worksheet. So we go on our Excel worksheet and create an advanced filter and copy to another location. Click OK. So our step number 5 is completed. I have done 5 steps of this assignment. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video.